Warning: you will hear adult language in this video. If you are offended by adult language, student of the game FX is not liable for the damage done to your virgin ears. Okay, it's FTMO trial day 3. It is September 8th on Wednesday, 11 p.m. London session just started 16 minutes ago. As always, we're gonna go through, find something to trade, and then place 4 trades. Shit. What more can you ask for? Okay. Aussie CAD, we're just going up and up and up and away. Started to consolidate a little bit. That's fine. Let me check daily. Daily, we haven't broken out of this like crazy level here. And this is our first time kind of returning to it. So we could be seeing a drop soon, I think. But we're on a daily, so maybe as soon as Monday, Sunday. Let's see. Let's go to Aussie Chief. Oh man. Oh man, are we coming down to our level over here? We're coming down somewhere. This was that trade we took yesterday, just sitting in the middle of all this price action. You know, it just seems strange that we're just sitting in this zone here. No candle body zone right here. No candle body at all. It's the head ass zone. I'm gonna take, let me see what this is from before I take it out. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out. We don't need that right now. And then basically, I mean, unless that low breaks right there, I'm gonna be looking for buys here. I might not be looking for it right now, but it's looking, I mean, bounce here, he broke slow. That's on the 5 minute, 4 hours doing this. I just want to see what's going to happen right here. I don't want to just hop in now that we're back in this area, because it's hard for me to tell like if we're going to go up or down from here. We got the Happy Meal sign right here, you know. Just if you don't see it, I see it right here. I see Ronald just chilling on a bench. He's right over here. He's got his like little afro like this. He's eating hamburgers. I know he got retired a while ago, but that's where he's at. He's just sitting there. He didn't know what Price is doing. He says, just don't be a clown like me. I said, okay, I'm not gonna be a clown like you. All right, we keep going. Aussie yen, a little bit more clear. Let's go to the 4 hour. So we did just close. Well, actually, we haven't closed below this low yet. I'm curious to see what will happen if we continue plowing here, or if we decide to go up again. I mean, all the Aussies are looking pretty much the same, so I want to see what's going to happen in the next hour, if I'm still trading, and then maybe we can place a trade on that then. CAD is doing the same. Look at this. I mean, it's just everything's sitting at these bottoms, at these lows. No, yesterday I got on, but they were a bit higher up than where we are from our zones here. I mean, we got all this like this stuff. I mean, if this returns here, there's a chance it could shoot up just because it shot up last time. I don't know. I'm not liking the way the market's looking tonight. Chief yen here though. Let's go on the daily. So we got the whole like anteater type thing going on here. Little bumblebee action looking in here. I'm still not convinced this is gonna go either way. What I'd like to see is if it breaks the low over here, then maybe I can start looking for something. But I don't know. It just doesn't. This ain't rubbing me the right way. I mean, this looks like it's gonna continue going down, but we're gonna have to see what happens. Yeah, I don't know. And if I don't know, I think I should stay out. Euro Aussie. All right, so Euro Aussie is funny because this one I thought was going to come back down and test down here, but we came up to, let me get my zones right now. Let me get my zones right. We came up to here, right? And so what I'm thinking is we will shoot down again now that we cleared out these orders and we're testing off with this block here. I mean, pretty much this whole section we're just working with the test, right? So on the 5 minute, we just broke the short-term low here. Like this. Now we can get excited. I mean, we even broke this low, so we broke 2 short-term lows. Right? And I mean, we're working on this guy here. Now, we don't work. We working on him for sure. Before I get too excited now, let me just mark this out. And then let's go and check other time frames now. We can't get too excited because we're so first indication is we're rejecting off of this. Second is it looks like we're engulfing this shitty ass doji right here. Okay, right here we made a 1 hour order block for bearish order block. 1 hour bearish order block. What I'd like to see, and I don't know if I'll be awake for it, is price to come back up to my lines here. But since I'm an asshole, I'm just gonna enter this trade and let's get it. We only want 1 to 1.5, right? Let's get it. Come on. She is dumping so hard. Oh man, why does she gotta do me like that? Ah man, it's so much price action to dump on. Okay. Can I get away with a 10 pip stop loss on this? Help a brother out with the 10 pip stop loss, y'all. So if I do a 10 pip stop loss from wherever the hell I just entered, let's just say it's right here, right? And we'll just say it's a 10 pip. 1 and 1.5. I think that I messed up just now. I got excited. I got excited on the impulse wave and I made an impulse sell. This still has to come back up and test. But I think I put the stop loss far enough away. This one's at 160.687 and my guy over here is on 160.682. I don't think she's ready at all. I think I just did an impulse sell. But you know, we're learning, we're on a journey, you know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so your Aussie trade is on. This one trade down. Yeah, shoot. I think I messed up, y'all. I think that was a bad trade. But I'm gonna try to learn from that. I haven't done the impulse trades in 8 trades. That's a new record for me. So at least I'm recording it now and keeping myself honest. Like I said, this is here. I'm learning. I'm not no Forex guru. I just trade Forex and have fun and shit. Try to make money. Try to make a living. Try to go pro while trading like amateur. So Euro Yen, man, see Euro Yen, I feel that come on y'all, you can't tell me that ain't gonna sell off. Where's it gonna go, huh? Where's it gonna go? Well, here's the daily. We just broke this low here. Come on, we gotta come back up and retest, but that thing going dump. Come on. I don't like to double down on my trades at all. Like I'm already in the euro, but this looks like a better euro, if that makes sense. Yeah, because price just curved down that way. We've broken all this structure. I mean, we just got to come back up and say howdy doody. And then as long as we don't break, shoot, where's my tool? As long as we don't break this high right here, howdy doody on the way down, he can go woo, 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 like that. But I don't know. I mean, let's see. Actually, there's actually a lot of shit in the way of it, like preventing it from going down here. What's the daily say? That's gonna be what it usually follows. So if it were to dump from here, just randomly, just out of nowhere, just start dumping, right? I mean, oh shoot, that's not what I wanted to draw. I would see this coming here on this EURJPY, this daily area right here. I'm usually wrong, so let's give it like 1,000 more pips. So that daily area there, yeah, I'm curious. I'm curious to see what happens around like this whole brick here. We just don't want it to basically if I get if I see a test in here and it's like a nice bearish engulfing, I'll probably enter on that on the 5 minute here, because my bias is short after seeing these lows break. But we need to see structure shift, and just or not structure shift, but we need to just show something to show me and indicate that it wants to sell still, because it did consolidate here. It's collecting orders for a big move, I think. Or at least a move, another impulse. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we put a alert here and an alert up here, basically telling me to pay attention to stuff. All right, so that's Euro Yen, France 40. I don't even trade this, but looking dope as fuck. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna continue. Pound Aussie. Don't tell me all this. Don't show me this price action, because I'm gonna think you're a liar. I mean, look at you. Look at you getting all the way up here, breaking structure. I know you're a liar, which means my Euro Aussie is gonna be a liar. Come on, you know she lying with all this downward momentum. You know she lying. She ain't that strong. Come on, Aussie cat, what's she doing? Oh, she kind of strong though. She's getting a little impulsy. She's getting a little impulsy on all of her charts here. I guess that works out for us if it holds. I mean, that's gonna make me happy. Do we double down here? I mean, like I said, I don't like to double down. And also on this chart, I mean, shit, it's been making all these like bullish pushes and stuff. We haven't really seen like a good pullback. But we came up into this area here. And so that gives me some pause, because we did break above this high, but we didn't close above this high. And we're already in the Euro Aussie. I don't know why I'm looking at this right now, man. You guys are getting me in trouble. I don't even know. Like, the one person that will maybe make it to this far in the video is gonna like that. Y'all can get me in trouble. Let's see. Pound Chief just been dumping. I mean, I get there's not really like much to say. Like, just sell that. That's what I did with the damn pound, fucking Euro US dollar, and that's what got me in trouble. It was like, just sell it, fuck it. Hop on, just do what you need to do. There's like no indication that this is like flipping right now for a sell. I cannot find any indication besides testing off of this area here. Like this is a 10-hour little bit of price action here, but I mean, even so, man, that talks and acts like shit. Pound yen. I might just buy this motherfucker right now. I mean, he's been chilling in our area. Okay, all right, y'all. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. If these wicks touch and we reject upwards, I may buy. No. Let's not say that. Let's not say that. Okay, here's the 1 minute chart. Based on the 1 minute chart, does this look enticing? Because I think it kind of does. Like, let's say we get a bounce and that goes down to here, right? I'm not gonna finish drawing that. Is this gonna get a bounce that comes from here? Right? So then we can just buy, yeah. We can just buy. If we don't come back down to here, then I'm gonna cry a little bit because she gonna run away from me. I want to see what happens with this 5 minute candle. I'm gonna stay here on this pound yen like all day, trying to see what's going on. I mean, the candle staring at me kind of funny. This is a 1 minute chart. And we're just basically waiting for pound yen to come into this area and see what we do. If it just runs away like this, and I could buy that too. But I don't know, like, is this the right move? Let's see. I think this is. I mean, look at all these wicks and shit over here just sitting. I think I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this buy. It's really high up there. I don't like buying like that. I don't like buying. See, I don't like buying like up here, right? This is the only thing that's like throwing me off. Is this thing came back down, but it did fill in the wick kind of algorithm. Will it go one? I guess the question I'm just gonna have to ask myself is, will it go 1 to 1.5 from here? And I think it will, just based off of the way that everything else looks. I mean, I already lost one trade catching the knife earlier in like 2 days ago in the challenge here, but I don't know, just based off of all this rejection here in this zone, it seems like we're going to push up at some point soon. This I would consider like a microstructure break here, like just this one candle here. I mean, I think I would like another microstructure break. What do you think? If we break here, this zone, we come back down and test it, would that be safer? I think it'd be safer. We could just not come down and test at all. We could just leave. Okay, that candle looks like it just closed like the Jesus Mama Jamma. Boy, you know this is baiting me into this. You know this is baiting me into this trade, and I know, mark my words, if whoever finds this video, you know that I'm doing a bad thing right here. But we gonna do it. We're gonna do a 10 pipper. Little 10 pipper. Because what I'm saying it's gonna break this structure. It's gonna break this structure. It's gonna, oh man. Okay, let's draw it on TradingView because that looks ugly. But I did enter the trade, so maybe I should just put the 10 pipper on. Yeah, why not? 10 pips. It's about to pinche dump. But basically what I'm saying when I do this, and I want to also say that the first time it shoots out of the zone, it's like you gotta be hitting that mega millions if you think you're gonna get it like that. But what I'm saying here, right? This is actually what I'm telling the market I think it's gonna do. I think it's going to break through this structure. Oh man. This structure. This structure. All of this shit. It's going to 15 because we can't see anymore. I think it's gonna break through all this shit, right? All this nonsense over here before it comes back down and crashes and taps my zone. But I don't know that in my heart to be true. Every time it's hit this zone though, it's fucking did that. So only thing is, every time it's hit this zone, have you noticed it's been lower and lower and lower? So that means that I may just catch the tippy top with my trade here. Yeah, I mean, so we have 2 trades on right now. I've just been looking. So yeah, let's go and look for another trade. I'm just kind of sitting here watching the charts and shit. Like, I guess, I mean, that's part of trading. So I'm in a pound, I'm in a euro. I kind of want to work with this euro US dollar, but I keep losing on it right now. Okay, so we're buying a pound. Let's see. So looking at New Zealand, I mean, it moves pretty similar to the Aussie. So in theory, it would continue going bullish. My gosh, how did I miss looking at any of New Zealand pairs for the past like 2 weeks? This is wild as shit. I wish that I started this series like just documenting my journey and shit like 2 weeks ago when this was running. I'd be like, ooh, caught some New Zealand trades. I mean, look at this. This fucker just broke structure like right here, and he just testing. He's like, oh yeah, let me test you all right here on the damn daily shit. Like, goddamn, like, look at this. This is crazy. Why I missed these? Do I really think this, since this broke all this fucking structure, it's been going bullish for like 5 years? You think, like, I mean, it looks like it's topping out, it's topping off right now, but it's also like, I don't know, that feels kind of strange to me. Feels like I want to sell, but I shouldn't, you know, like taboo shit. These equal lows though on the lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hour, baby. 4 hour just looks like some chicle, just not doing anything. We got this guy over here just sitting on top of some shit. If he wasn't sitting on top of some shit, I might be dumb enough to fucking sell that. I mean, it seems like it's okay. It's just pinched between this area here and this area here. Let's see. ZOD USD. Okay, oil US30 brought us some money yesterday. When did I make it all wavy like this? That's my review video? Yeah, it probably was. US30 trying to trap me for sure, for sure. This is crazy because it's in that spot where you're like, all right, man, you probably gonna keep going down, but also goddamn. So here's the daily. Right, we don't have to, but we probably want to clear out the orders on this big ass zone right here. Big ass zone, and you know, my target will be 50% if I do get in a sell here, which is not too far away, but it feels good. Do stonks always go up? Like, because look, I mean, US30 is right now, it just broke like a trend line on the daily. I don't even know what that means, but it could just like come back up, tap it a little bit, then go down. I don't know. Do trend lines work on US30? I don't even trade this shit. I don't know. Maybe it comes down to my 50%, then taps the trend line like that. I'm just gonna keep it there. Whatever. I'm gonna sell the US30 because it just did that rejection shit, and that's how I like my US30 when she's rejecting me for the prom. She might be rejecting my bank account right now. I don't know. Just like these fucking trades down here. Goddamn. Okay, let's put this here. US30. I don't like selling into this stuff, but I think we're okay. So that is like what, 400 fucking pips? What is that? 4139. So we're gonna put a sell on for like 4139. So that'd be at 41. Just do right there, and a 1.5 is definitely earlier than that 50%. So we are good to go for that. That is 3 trades on, fam. Your Aussie, right? What are we even trading today? What are we trading today? We're trading pound yen, euro Aussie, and US30. And all looks like they're about to do some flippy floppy flapjack on me tonight, but that's okay because we did our analysis, we entered impulsively, and we didn't listen to our analysis at all. So that is why everything is gonna be fine. We did some retail trader shit, but it's documented now. I'm keeping myself accountable with this video series because I need to keep learning and growing. I'm tired of not being a full-time trader. I don't know why I'm aspiring to be that. Maybe it's the Lambos and shit, or maybe it's just being able to pay bills and have a house. All right, so CAD yen. Oh yeah, I indubitably want to sell that CAD yen. Let's go and see what's going on, right? Let's before I place the trade, let's be smart. Let's just do what we gotta do. Okay, so dailies broke structure like a motherfucker. Just did like, it's like fucking EOR like all sad and shit. Looks like it's impulsing down, probably down to here. Let's go and check for the 4 hour because that's what we like to do. All right, 4 hour we broke under this low with a wick. We're coming back down to retest that wick. I'd probably say look out for, man, there's a lot of missing price over here. I think the most likely area is probably gonna be here. I wish that I had 1 to 1.5 wasn't my thing, but it is, so I'm just gonna keep that area there. And let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we're making this downtrend thing. Oh, euro yen is doing stuff. Which way is it doing it? Oh, it came to our zone, our low. All right, I do want to sell the euro yen. I know y'all. I know we're winging it today. So euro yen there because it tested our block, came down, and I will put a 5.5 pip stop loss. Hope I'm not getting finagled by the euro yen. That is 4 trades, but we are looking at I might want to put one more. I can't. You know what's funny? I don't remember what I just clicked off of. I think it was CAD yen, which means that this is basically the same trade, and my pound yen might be wrong because of the way that the yen is moving against it. Well, you know, I'm just gonna leave the 4 trades here, win, lose, or draw. Let's just keep it like we've been doing it. 4 trades seems to work best for us right now. I mean, I want to work on being more consistent with my kind of like my plan and like my daily action and stuff like that. So let's just keep it 4 trades for now. Let's see what we can do with this trial. We might lose all 4 of these, but we've won 6 out of 8 so far. So we're doing good. I don't approve of the way that I entered some of these though. Like entering impulsively is probably I've learned that lesson multiple times. And maybe that's why I'm not fully successful yet. I don't know, but definitely that was not the way to go with that. So we'll see how we do. We'll see if we're rewarded for our stupidity or punished for it. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching if you find it and enjoyed it. This is just to document my learning journey. We chilling, we trading, we trying to make some money.